Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July the 27th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, AstraZeneca's shares fell up to 16% after the combination of Imfinzi and tremelimumab failed to improve progression-free survival versus chemotherapy in the Phase 3 MYSTIC study. The trial investigated the drug combination versus platinum-based standard of care chemotherapy in previously untreated patients with metastatic first-line non-small cell lung cancer. Chief Medical Officer Sean Bowen said while the results are disappointing, the trial was designed to assess overall survival. The company indicated that final overall survival data for both mono and combination therapy are expected during the first half of 2018. In other news, Gilead Sciences' second quarter sales reached $7.1 billion, surpassing consensus estimates of about $6.4 billion. The company recorded $3.6 billion in combined revenue for its HIV and hepatitis B products, while sales of hepatitis C treatments totaled $2.9 billion. In addition, sources suggested that some of the largest drug makers in the EU and US have hired advisors regarding a potential acquisition of Shire. Shire, which purchased Baxalta last year, is said to have retained defence advisors in an effort to fend off low bids. And finally, Roche's sales of prescription drugs climbed 5% in the second quarter to 20.5 billion Swiss francs, led by growth from Tecentriq and Perjeta. Meanwhile, revenue from the recently approved multiple sclerosis therapy Ocrevus reached 192 million francs. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.